Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Xiaomi Mash System, and now I can show you how to disable lights on the mesh. To do it, you need to open your Xiaomi Home application. Here choose Xiaomi Mash System and scroll down and find here LED indicator control. And here you can choose timer. You can enable timer, for example, between 000 and 8 o'clock lights will be disabled, or you can disable it now and click confirm. Setup successful, and as you can see, lights are disabled but devices are working. And of course you can enable it by using this switcher and click confirm. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.